don't know what happened. My phone just stopped. Still eating a salad. What were we talking about? Oh, diets. Yeah. Any other people? So have you seen the pictures on Instagram of Nicky Avocado? He used to be like anorexic looking, and then he got chubby. I guess that's why he's eating a lot, but I don't think that he'll gain a lot of weight though. You hear kids stuff in the background. She's supposed to be eating. She has like a mini version of mine. But I put cheese sprinkles in hers. I only have a few cheese sprinkles in mine. No napkin. Look at this weird looking tomato. It's funny because each one of these different tomatoes tastes different. The colored tomatoes taste different. I'm not very articulate, am I? Now I'm going to try a different tomato. Let's get the sauce off of it. This is a long red tomato. Very sweet tasting tomato. Of course I have a bagger. Tippy. Here's my boy. You know what? I was so scared last night. He sleeps in the bed with me. And he snores. Yeah. And I woke up last night and I didn't hear him snoring. And I touched his fur. And his fur felt ice cold. Doggy Mukbang. His fur felt ice cold. I touched him on the shoulder. And I could feel his bones. Oh my god. I was hella freaked out last night. But he was just sleeping so deep he wasn't snoring. Very scary though. He's an old boy, but he's not that old. He's like 11. He'll be 12 in November. It's funny, him and Dudybug's birthday is the same. Cucumber. Gee, I'm just bouncing around with this conversation, aren't I? Well, it's a cold day in Nevada. It's sunshiny, but it's cold. They're getting my handicap thing out of my truck because I can't walk real far because my legs start going numb because I have herniated discs in my back. And they're getting worse, and the doctor said surgery might not be the answer because it might not, you know, there's so much damage. Why put me through it, you know? I don't want surgery anyway. I am Messy Marvin. So, this guy likes salad. I'm not giving him any more though. see all the people that's trying to lose weight, like Chantal and Amber Lynn. Salads for lunch. You could probably eat a whole damn bag of salad and ain't nothing gonna happen to you. Except for your mouth getting tired from chewing.